Everybody, Jake and Brenda, our sweet adventures.
Hello.
Today we are doing
a Krusteaz recipe. It's a box mix. We had done a lemon pound cake from this brand before. So, and they have several different things, muffins, and then this is Snickerdoodle Cookies. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and we'll probably do a couple others of that brand. So let's get started. Okay, here it is, Krusteaz Snickerdoodle Cookie Mix. It does come with the cinnamon and sugar pouch inside, which I have here, and it calls for a stick of butter and 1 egg. So I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to put the egg in there. Alrighty. I think I'm just going to whip that up a little bit. There we go. Okay. And now, cake mix. And it does say that you can take the cinnamon sugar, which it comes in, a packet comes in the actual recipe, like I showed you. You can incorporate it into the mix itself, or you can wait and roll it into balls. Well, I have decided the old-fashioned way, my mom and that I've done as well, has always been that you roll it into balls and then dip it in the cinnamon and sugar. So that's what we're going to do today. But I'm going to get this stirred up and we'll be back with you. Okay, here we are. Got it, whoa, mixed up. And now I'm going to make some balls. And this is about a tablespoon. And so we'll go ahead and do it like this. You can just take it out otherwise too, but I'm going to roll it in the cinnamon and sugar. And so on. And, you know, you can make them bigger than this as well. Also, like I said before, they said incorporate the cinnamon and sugar right in the mix, the box mix. It's kind of big. And then you don't have to do this part of it. But I guess that was always the fun of it, you know, as a kid. You like doing it that way. So I'm going to go ahead, fill this pan up. And I forgot what it did say. It says 8 to 10 minutes, 375 degree oven. Okay, here it is. Last one for the pan. I got them really big, but that's all right. So there we are. And now we'll stick them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, it says. I'll just put it on probably for 8 minutes and then check them. So we got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 cookies here.
what is that, 375?
375 oven temp. Okay. And I'm just going to go 8 minutes and start. So once they're done, we'll bring them out and show them to you. Okay, timer went off. We had to reset the time a couple of times. So it was about 12.5 minutes that we had to leave them in there. So it just went off and we're gonna bring them out. And they're kind of flat. I don't remember how they're supposed to look anymore. It's been a long while. But we're gonna go ahead, let them cool, and do our taste test.
Okay, so here's how they turned out. They look pretty good. We'll check them out. Here's test, I guess. So I guess we'll just grab one. And,
Yeah.
all right.
They cooled down, so they're. Well,
Pretty good.
very good. They're crunchy. They're not real soft, but that makes it good for dipping in milk.
Yeah, let's go with that. Okay, yeah. We usually rate them to 1 to 5. I'm gonna go 3.5.
I'm gonna go 4.5.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right.
So, you know, this is a good brand, like I said, and we're going to be doing some more
Of this.
of this brand.
Yep.
Krusteaz. Whatever I said in the beginning.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Okay. All right.
So, you know, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you've ever tried these and that particular brand, or maybe you have your own special recipe. But it is fun to
Try different things.
try different things and see how they taste. And then just remember, we're here, there, and everywhere. So follow us on our journey.
All right. Next time.
Bye.
Okay, quick update here. We just made another batch,
Well, there's a few balls left, and so we cooked them, and I thought, you know, those other ones were crunchy. I wanted to see if 10 minutes, if we took them out at 10 minutes, if they would be soft, and
they were.
they were.
So
Do it just the 10 minutes. It was almost like they were going to break off when I went to, you know, take them off and put them on the rack. But
so 10
anyway,
minutes, 375.
Yep, 10 minutes, 375, and they'll be soft.
Just a little update.
Yep, thanks.